If you're doing great, well, in this video, you are going to get this AI agency snapshot, which has done for you funnels, done for you websites, done for you workflow, and basically the AI artificial intelligence, the AI employee you would have heard, everything related with the AI agency that you're planning to open. This snapshot will be super amazing for you. As you can see, like the funnels itself, 5 of the funnels AI consulting checkout page, the chatbot funnel where like basically you're saying you want to test out over chatbot, and I'm going to show you each of the individual funnels. And most importantly, like the fifth one, as you can see, there is a white label training videos, and of course, like you are even going to know how do you get it, and completely free way to get it as well, the entire snapshot. So what do you have within the white label training videos? This one is super amazing, so let me just quickly show you right away. Like if I just open, so all the modules of the Gohighlevel basically to your client that you are selling the sub account, you don't need to explain them. You can just refer them to this white labeled uh, funnel page, and entire thing, as you can see, phone number setup, calendars, and it's white labeled so nobody knows who has recorded it. Marketing automation, let's say, let us just try to open, okay, reputation. Let's say you want to explain the reputation part.
Down here we have our reputation, which is to help us manage our Google reviews. We can track all of the metrics from our Google reviews right inside of here. We can
As you can see, each of the modules is predefined. You'll just have to refer your sub accounts to this funnel, and they would know the entire functionality of the Gohighlevel. White labeled is completely. Isn't it like super amazing? Apart from all the AI agency thing which it has, and of course, like it has a done for you website as well, where the booking page or agency website is going to be there, as well as the automation in the workflow, which is like the heart and soul of any of the snapshot. So the automation also contains the entire inbound lead nurturing, like the Instagram. You'll see, if you open it, you'll see the Instagram, Facebook chat widget, whatever way of your lead coming in inbound, the nurturing process workflows written, the no show, the new client sign up, appointment booking, AI chatbot, voicemail drop. So all the workflows are there. Like even let's say, if I just click on the inbound lead nurturing, you will see within there itself you have this Facebook Messenger, Google My Business, Instagram DM, missed call, text back. So this is like completely thorough snapshot, and I'm going to tell you further the individual things. I'm going to open the funnels, open the website and the workflow. But before moving on, let me just quickly tell you how do you get this snapshot completely free. And not just this snapshot, you're even going to get 127 snapshot set that we will be allotting to you, like we'll be giving along with this AI agency one. Isn't it super amazing? Before we move on, I just wanted to quickly tell you, like, I am Abdullah Zahid. I have been independent affiliate of Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. I've been writing the blog articles, like hundreds of blog articles 4 years back from that time. And from that time, Gohighlevel has grown exponentially to another level. I've done interviews with the CEO of the Gohighlevel, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people. They are building one of the best solutions. That's why I'm active promoter of this software. So all you have to do is just go to this link, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'll pop it up onto the screen for you to see here. As you can see, like I just put in one of the testimonial from the guy. So all you have to do, like multiple things, 5 ways I have kept for this. The first way you can try. If first way doesn't work for you, the second way, like whichever is convenient for you, you can try it. And 4 of the ways are completely free. The fifth one is a paid one. So what is the first one? You sign up to the 30-day free trial of Gohighlevel using our link. This is our link. You just click onto this link and you will be redirected to the page, and you sign up for the 30-day free trial. Just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We are going to give you this AI agency snapshot as well as 127 snapshot, which contains all the exclusive one, the coaching, communities, real estate, you name it. All of the snapshots are there. But let's say you're already signed up for the Gohighlevel. You cannot exercise this option. The second option left for you is you just click on this link and you upgrade to the $297 plan. So basically this would be applicable for the people who are on the $97 plan. And if they upgrade to $297 plan using our link, you click on this link, our relationship ID will already be populated. You just enter your name and your contact details, click on upgrade, and that's it. Just email to us with a screenshot probably, and we are going to give you the entire bonus sets. The third option is, if let's say you don't want to upgrade to $297 plan, you can upgrade to $497 plan, SaaS Pro plan. You click on this link. Again, the relationship, our affiliate ID will be already populated, pre-populated. You enter your relationship number and your name and contact details. Click upgrade, and that's it. You'll be applicable to get it. So three free ways I've told you, and this fourth one I have introduced, which is a no-brainer. Like, I don't think, guys, like, you do have excuse onto this that you have not done, because a lot of people haven't done it yet. So you can just get the entire snapshot set till the time this offer is, like, I've added this fourth option. You have to go and put within the FP reference, like the AI employee, this bonus code, and click apply. This doesn't mean that you have activated the AI employee. You might activate, let's say, a year later. It doesn't matter. Like, we are still going to give you the bonus just because you have entered it. Now, some people might be asking, how do you actually go there, where it is? So all you have to do is just go to your agency dashboard, click on the settings, and click on the AI employee, and then click on manager offer. And here you see the AI employee. This is the FP reference. You have to put in AIBONUSES bonuses and click on apply. That's it. Now, this doesn't mean that you'll be charged or anything. You have activated AI employee. No, the system remains as it is. In the future, when you use AI employee, then, like, it comes. But right now, you just enter our reference code. That's it. We are going to give you the entire bonus set. So this is the fourth way, completely free. Now let's say all the four options are exhausted for you. Then some of the people come to me, like, they say that, is there a way I can just purchase this, the AI agency snapshot, or the entire 127 snapshot? So just scroll it to the bottom, and I've put this payment link here. One time cost of $347 only, you're going to get the entire snapshot set. Debit or credit card or via PayPal, right away you'll be able to download 127 snapshot set. For the AI agency snapshot, just please email me once, because this is a separate snapshot as of now, but I'll try to include it into this list itself. Uh, I'll send you the AI agency snapshot separately onto your email. So it's super amazing, guys. The five ways I just told you: 30-day free trial number one, or $297 upgrade from the link above, or $497 upgrade, or the AI bonuses that you can enter in the FP reference, or the fifth one is you can purchase it for one time cost of $347 only. Now let me just quickly show you, like, further. Let us just jump back onto the this uh, AI page, right? AI agency snapshot. So white label training, I already showed you the reputation management, automation, everything is explained, and you can use those videos not just for this. You can just, I think you can even copy those videos and, like, copy this funnel and upload it to the other places as well. White labeled is super amazing. Let me just open one of the, like, the website that we have for this funnel just to depict. So this is your agency website. How does it look like? So there is a home page, thank you page, booking page, the checkout page. Let us just try to see the home page. And of course, we are going to just edit it to your way, the way that you want. So basically, market your business with AI, book a demo, or 30,000 companies will bring you to the next level, and these many things: automation, payment processing. These are the things that we are providing our packages. So you update the things as per the way that you are offering your packages, your testimonials, your logo, right? But things are already done for you here. So now let's say this is the thank you page. Similarly, there is a booking page, book an appointment, then the checkout page. So the template is there, and basically for you, you guys can just edit it as per your wish. The calendar is there, and then let's say even for the funnel, for example, this one, chatbot funnel. So you want to check out, I mean, I saw it earlier. You want to test our chatbot. So basically the chatbot link will be automatically populated. So this one is basically capturing their lead details, that you want to test our chatbot, then enter these details. So they are entering the detail, and they'll be able to test our chatbot. So similarly, like the funnels, and of course the white labeled one is the super amazing, the best one. I mean, these videos, like, will take a lot of time and an expert to produce for you, and you can use it as per wherever that you want. So let us just jump onto the automation, the workflow part with the AI agency snapshot that you can get. By the way, guys, I have been uh, associated with the Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. and I've been making those blog articles, hundreds of blog articles from early 2020s. Like at that time, they were just, I mean, I've been independent affiliate, by the way, and I've done interviews of the CEO and the co-founder, Sean Clark, Varun Veravan, onto my YouTube channel. It is they're amazing people. They've built one of the best solutions. That's why we have full time into it. So coming back onto this, let's say, I mean, this was the lead nurturing. Let us try to see. Let's say somebody just booked the appointment, and even for the AI chatbot, like it is prompting from the chat GPT and stuff. But let's say appointment confirmation and the reminder. This one would be the normal workflow for the confirmation and the reminder, and the AI chatbot one would be a different one. So as you can see, remove from all the other workflow, there is an internal notification saying opportunity is being created, and then confirmation, and then just 1 hour before, one more reminder will be sent to the person. So all everything is being done professionally, um, with your marketing agency the moment the appointment is booked. But let's say further, inbound lead nurturing, let's say, or let's say the new client sign up. This one should be simple. The new client sign up should be the simple one. That okay, create welcome text and welcome email. So basically, any new client just sign up, welcome text and welcome email. And this one is the complex one, like the detailed one, the AI chatbot workflow. Appointment booking through the AI chatbot. AI chatbot will be trying to book the appointment for you from the chat GPT prompts. This one, like once you put your mind to it, like you will think to it, you will be able to understand. So form submitted, then chat GPT, from chat GPT, the prompt will be taken, like the data will be taken, a SMS will be sent to them, then the condition will be what is the reply. Based on that, further prompt will be sent, SMS would be sent. Based on what they reply, then the loop will be repeated. So basically the goal of this is to basically collect the lead. So as you can see, these are the advanced version of the workflow, having or covering all sort of possibilities that we might have. So this is going to be super amazing, guys. The AI agency snapshot, all the websites, all the funnels that you wish to have, as well as all the workflows. And definitely it is going to be helpful for you guys. And I already told you, just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshot and take the 30-day free trial using our link, or upgrade to $297 plan, or upgrade to $497 plan using our link, or just put in AI bonuses into the AI employee and just email to us and we are going to deliver it to you. Last option would be you can just purchase it for $347, only one time cost. That will give you the AI agency snapshot plus the entire 127 snapshot set. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.